Dear parents and students, on behalf of our director sir, Shri Bharat B. Gupta, Usha Gupta ma'am, Principal DC Model Senior Secondary School, and on my own behalf too, it gives me a lot of happiness and sense of pride to share with you all the excellent performance given by the students of both the schools, Model and Montessori, for the session 2019-20. Around 30 students of class 12 from all the streams have scored more than 90% marks. In the class 10th, we have a total of 40 students from both the schools have scored 90% marks. Matter of added pride for me to inform you all that one of our students from class 10th, Shagun Thakur, has stood second in Tri-City. Congratulations to all our high scorers and a special word of congratulations to Shagun Thakur. Well done, Shagun Thakur. Keep it up. And congratulations to all the proud parents. And here I would like to congratulate all our teachers for great effort put in by all. Now over to all these teachers who have been in touch with these merit holders to share their experiences. Over to them.
Good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to congratulate my students who performed so well in the board exam and brought such a good name to the institute as well as staff. Dear students, I am so happy for the fact that I played such a valuable role in shaping your beautiful futures. But I must say that extremely humble, respectful, grateful and regular students you have been, and God has blessed you with the best because of this. I'll cherish my stay with you forever. A very best of luck for all your future endeavors. Keep it up.
Thanks everyone. My name is Vansh Kashyap and I am student of DC Montessori Senior Secondary Smart School. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Director, Sir, Principal, Ma'am, all the teachers and the staff in the school and all the students. They have been a tremendous support in these past 2 years. I would like to thank all the teachers, whether it's our chemistry teacher who has always been an inspiration and have motivated me to achieve something more in my life. And I would like to thank our physics teacher, Mrs. Pallavi Sharma Ma'am, who helped me achieve more in physics. Her constant tests and assignments help me clear my concepts more, and she'll always be my first mentor in physics. To thank Mrs. Priyanka Channa Ma'am, whose regular assignments in maths helped me achieve more in maths and made maths my favorite subject. I'd like to thank each and every teacher, whether it's my English teacher Mrs. Suekha Ma'am, whose constant debates and discussions in English helped me more, and everyone who helped me in achieving this. I would like to thank our Honorable Director Sir and Principal Ma'am, who provided me with an opportunity of studying in such a reputed institution. For this, I'll be forever grateful to them.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Sarawat and I recently did my 12th class from DC Montessori School in non-medical stream. Few days back my CBSE board results were announced. I got an aggregate of 96.2% and I would like to share the credit of my success to my teachers and my parents. Behind every successful child, there is a group of people working very patiently and are equally responsible for the success of the child. And in my case, they are the teachers and my parents. I would like to thank the director sir and principal ma'am for their valuable cooperation and assistance.
Good morning everyone, my name is Diksha and I am a student of DCM group of school. First of all, I would like to thank our director sir, Mr. Bharat Bhushan Gupta, and our principal ma'am, Mrs. Renu Verma, who gave me this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude towards my school teachers for their honest efforts in shaping my future. In this session, I got 95% in science stream, and all this could be possible only with the help of my dedicated and hardworking teachers, who always motivated me and support me. My teachers taught me a manner that I never felt that I have to join some tuition or any coaching classes, and our teachers were always ready to solve our queries and all the doubts we have. They prepare us so well that we never felt any fear for board exams, and I am very thankful to my all the teachers, Priyanka ma'am, Pallavi ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Swekha ma'am, Diksha ma'am, for supporting me throughout the year. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. I feel heartened as I congratulate my students and appreciate their hard work and dedication, which has brought laurels to the school with an exceptionally brilliant result. I am glad to see that our mantra, never run after success, gain worthiness and success will run after you, has worked wonders. Excellence isn't a skill, it's an attitude. So keep up your good work and strive for perfection in all your future endeavors. God bless you all and looking forward to see you share your lovely experiences with all.
Hey everyone, I Khushi Goel, student of DC Montessori School, would like to share my 12th result with you. I got 97.4% in commerce stream, and this result was possible only because of the full and continuous support of my teachers and the school staff. I would like to express my gratitude and special thanks to all my teachers and supporters, Ms. Renu Verma, our principal, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, Ms. Leena Sethi, Ms. Aditi Sharma, Ms. Anukriti Joshi, who helped me throughout the academic session. Their welcoming and supportive nature helped me realize my potential. It is rightly said that the success of an institution is always measured by the infrastructure and the academic results. DC Montessori has excelled in both of these. The infrastructure provided by the school helped me understand my topics better by using audio visuals, whereas the academic results are getting better year by year. DC Montessori perfectly meets the needs of the students. The teachers help me understand my various topics by using various methods. The regular tests, doubt sessions and regular survey helped me a lot. Whenever I had a doubt, my teachers were always available to clear my doubts. This made me clear with my topics more. I am very glad that I got the teachers who helped me throughout, my constant support forever. I am very thankful to my teachers for always supporting me. Their positivity and encouragement made my days brighter.
Good morning all. I am Akriti, class of 2020. I enrolled myself with the DCM group in the year 2018 for my plus 1 and plus 2. The school's atmosphere was warm and welcoming. I still remember when I went to get myself enrolled, Principal Ma'am welcomed me with open arms. My only apprehension while joining the school was whether I'll be able to keep up with my extracurricular activities while still balancing my academics. I was fortunate enough to have the confidence of our respected Principal Ma'am and was bestowed with the responsibility of representing our school in various competitions. I hosted majority of the school events and was an enthusiastic member of the debating society. The school helped me in blossoming my personality. I had the unwavering support of my class teacher, Miss Leena Sethi, be it in academics or extracurricular activities. I think I speak for all when I say that she pushed us all to our limits. She helped us out with extra study material, Quizlets, mind maps, and my personal favorite, group discussion. Her citing of real-life examples helped us better our understanding of a theoretical subject like business studies. Did we ever get to say a thank you for your patience with us? We were quite troublesome at times, but you kept a balance between being a friend and a mentor. Another great teacher I had the fortune of being taught by was Rakesh sir. He taught me economics in both my 11th and 12th grade, and I ended up falling in love with the subject. He, in my opinion, is a walking encyclopedia in economics. He never allowed us to be complacent and always told us to strive hard for success. He's an inspiration for many of us. DCM staff for being amazing in your approach and accommodating to us all, and accurate in your teachings. We say a big thank you.
My name is Shubhangi and I have scored 95.8% marks in class 12 board exams. I have been a student at DC Montessori for 2 years and it has been a great learning experience for me. Our principal ma'am, Mrs. Renu Verma, has been a great support from day one and teachers have always guided us to the right path. The teaching method and skills have not only helped me score good marks but also induced genuine interest in subjects as well. Leena ma'am, Diksha ma'am, Swekha ma'am and Anukriti ma'am, these dedicated teachers of Commerce Department have always been a great help to me, whether it is asking doubts during school hours or on a call. I'm truly thankful to the staff of DC Montessori for being such a great support and I'm glad to be a part of this institution.
Congratulations, Prerna. Congratulations, ma'am.
As we all know that CBSE 2020 results are out, and following the legacy, DCM Group of Schools has again produced a huge number of toppers, and here we have one topper with us, Prerna, who has scored 95.6% in commerce stream. Congratulations for that. Prerna, you have made us all very, very proud, and congratulations to you too. She has definitely made you also proud. So, Prerna, अब बताइए क्या what was your journey throughout, in achieving this result?
It was all the parents, my teachers, all their efforts, and my consistency and additional self-learning made me more doing this.
Right. Okay. आपसे भी पूछना चाहूँगी कि कैसी रही आपकी ये जर्नी, प्रेरणा की जर्नी, उसके साथ आपकी जर्नी थ्रू आउट सर के साथ और DCM फैमिली के साथ?
हमारी तो गुप्ता साहब सर के साथ बहुत अच्छी है, सब उन्हीं का प्रताप है जो सारा कुछ कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने हमें संभाल लिया। हमारे भी उस टाइम का टाइम देखें तो भगवान किसी को भी ना दिखाए वो टाइम, बहुत ही उन्होंने साथ दिया हमारा। मैं जितना उनका धन्यवाद करूँ उतना थोड़ा है। जितना बुरा टाइम था उन्होंने रीना ऋतु को पहले संभाला, ये छोटी सी थी गोदी में,
अच्छा,
इसको लेके आए थे, कुछ भी नहीं था हमारे पास, पर उन्होंने हमारे को बिल्कुल भगवान रूप जैसे होता है ना कि भगवान आके तसाब और निशा मैडम ने हमें संभाल दिया और कदम कदम पे उन्होंने हमारा साथ दिया। कोई ऐसा नहीं है दुख में कि अपने भाई बहन किसी ने कभी नहीं जो उन्होंने मेरा साथ दिया, तो मैं उनका जितना आसान करूँ उतना ही थोड़ा। मैं सारी ज़िंदगी जब तक श्वास लूँगी ना उनको नहीं कभी भूलूँगी। तो इसलिए मेरी दोनों बेटियां भी बहुत अच्छी वहाँ से गई हैं, उन्होंने स्कूल में भी अच्छा किया। तो सर का आशीर्वाद, उन्होंने हमेशा आशीर्वाद दिया कि मेरा ये बेटा है लीना, उन्होंने हमेशा लीना को बेटा ही समझा, तो कदम कदम पे साथ दिया। फिर कॉलेज में गई तब भी साथ दिया उन्होंने पूरा। फिर आगे अब उन्होंने अपने हाथों से शादी भी करी, उन्होंने इतना हमारा साथ दिया कि हम अपने रिश्तेदारों को नहीं करते कि हमारे वो ही हैं सब, शादी में भी, दुख में भी, सुख में भी, सारे टाइम वो खड़े रहे हैं। तो हम दोनों का, उषा मैडम, गुप्ता साहब का बहुत धन्यवाद है, बहुत धन्यवाद। उनके साथ मोहन मैडम है, लोचन साहब हैं उनके फैमिली में, अच्छा, उन्होंने भी हमारा बहुत साथ दिया, बहुत साथ दिया। मैं तो शब्दों से क्या ही नहीं सकती, मैं बहुत उनके साथ मन कि वो टाइम देखो तो मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं था, मैं ऐसे भाग के आई थी वहाँ से, अपने मतलब आदमी तो छोड़ ही गया, लेकिन मुझे प्रभु ने आगे इतना अच्छा साथ दिया, प्रभु बन के, भगवान बन के, साईं बन के। मैंने तब से 13 साल से साईं का हिस्सा, जैसे सर ने उनको दोनों आशीर्वाद दिया, फिर इसको भी आशीर्वाद दिया। इसने भी अपना पूरा फर्ज निभाया कि मम्मी मैं भी उनसे ज़्यादा दीदियों से अच्छा करूँगी, आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करो, और इसने करके दिखाया। मुझे इस पर नाज है, मैं खुद नहीं पढ़ी पर मुझे तीनों बच्चों ने अच्छा मुझे दिखाया।
बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है।
और मेरे लिए यही बच्चियां बेटे हैं।
बिल्कुल।
अब शादी करके चली गई तब भी मेरी इतनी चिंता करती रहती है, पूरे टाइम टू टाइम फ़ोन करना, चीज़ भेजना। मैं कहती हूँ बेटियाँ बेटों से भी बहुत बढ़ के हैं।
बिल्कुल, ये आपने बहुत सही बात कही है कि बेटियां बेटों से भी बढ़कर हैं, और ये तो आज हम लिविंग एग्जाम्पल है जो हमारे सामने है अबाउट आवर रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सर एंड उषा मैम। मेरे खुद के बहुत पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं दैट आई हैव कम अक्रॉस हियरिंग अबाउट द गुड डीड्स दैट दे हैव डन थ्रू आउट। और हम आगे प्रेरणा से सुनना चाहेंगे दैट हाउ वाज योर जर्नी विद DC Montessori फॉर योर 11th and 12th?
The journey was extraordinary with DC model as well as DC Montessori. I don't face any problem. जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती थी, मैम होती थी, रेनू मैम, योर ऑल टीचर्स आर सो कोऑपरेटिव एंड केयरिंग। 1 मिनट में आ जाते थे, मतलब सब कुछ सॉल्व कर देते थे। जो प्रॉब्लम होती थी या एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लेनी होती थी, कोई डाउट होता था, एनी टाइम दे आर एनी टाइम अवेलेबल। बहुत अच्छा था।
तो what was your schedule that you followed throughout, in your journey for preparing for board exams, and how did you go about it?
Consistency, which my teachers told me that consistency, regularity in my studies.
Right.
Then after school, after some coaching or institute, then self-learning most importantly.
Absolutely, very well said. Self-learning is the key to success. So all the prospective students, please mark these words from Prerna and take Prerna from her, self-learning.
Yes, self-learning is the most important, and I want to thank all my teachers, my family, Reena ma'am, Renu ma'am, Rakesh sir, every teacher is so loving, and thank you so much for all your efforts.
सो मुझे तो सुन के पर्सनली इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि अगर प्रेरणा कर सकती है तो ऐसी प्रेरणा लेके आप सब भी कर सकते हैं. एंड लिसनिंग, एंड आई फील प्रिविलेज्ड माई सेल्फ लिसनिंग टू सच अ ब्यूटिफुल एंड हार्ट टचिंग स्टोरी to, and I think God has given me this privilege to share it with you all. So I thank you both and congratulate you both once again.
मैडम का, प्रिंसिपल मैडम का भी बहुत धन्यवाद है. जब मैं एडमिशन कराने आई थी उन्होंने मुझे बहुत हौसला दिया था. मैं बल्कि डरती आई थी. इन्होंने मुझे बहुत प्यार से लिया, आपकी बच्ची करेगी. इन्होंने इतना आशीर्वाद दिया. बचपन से वहाँ स्कूल में भी बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. डीसी मॉडल वहाँ डांस हर चीज़ में, गेम्स में, इसमें सब में करा है. मुझे तो थोड़ा सा ये था कि 10th में जब ये तो मैं बेड पे पूरी बिल्कुल गिर गई तो बच्चे को बड़ा बाहर अपने सिर पे आ गया. ऋतु की शादी सब चले, लेकिन इस बच्चे के मन में यही था मैं शुरू से ही अपनी मम्मी के बहुत अच्छे, मेरी भी तमन्ना थी बहुत अच्छे नंबर लिया करे, अच्छा पढ़ा करे. तो इसने मेरी लाज रख ली, बस मेरे को यही है. और मैडम का धन्यवाद, रीना मैडम का धन्यवाद, मेरे केश सर का, जितनी सारी टीचर हैं मुझे सबने प्यार दिया. ये सर खड़े हैं विजय सर, इन्होंने इसको बचपन से डांस सब चीज़ इतने प्यार से सिखाई है ना. मैं कहती हूँ मैं कभी पैसों का कोई मोल नहीं, इन्होंने बहुत प्यार दिया सब. जिसके जितना मैं नाम लूँ पूरे टीचर्स का बहुत ही कम है, बहुत ही कम. थैंक यू आपका थैंक्स, धन्यवाद आपका सबका धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. So finally the much awaited 10th class result is out, and the board result, the anxiety before that and the happiness after the result, it is unmatchable. And the way the children, they have performed, I'm so thankful to them, I'm so happy for them. It's all because these children, they were very, very focused throughout the year. Throughout the year they were very attentive in the classes. They were always very curious to know the concepts, to know the things, and off and on, even after the classes, even from their homes, through WhatsApp messages, they were constantly asking the questions, and we were always there for them to solve the queries. Like if I talk about Shagun, she was always like, ma'am, why this thing is happening? And the day I was giving them the assignment from the NCERT, the same day I was getting the assignment submitted by her. And same was the case with Kanan as well as Parth. And Parth, since I taught them all the children in the 8th class as well, so from that class onwards I could see the spark in all of them, and all of them were very focused right from the childhood, right? And the strategies which we use for these children, they were like, we focused on their strong points, right? Like Parth is very, very good with the calculation part. Shagun, she has little bit problem in the numerical part. And Kanan, she writes very well, but she explains a lot. So we worked on all these points, that for Shagun, lot of practice is required. For Parth, patience is required, because when he knows that he's doing all the things, so sometimes in hurry he could commit some mistakes. And for this I told him that you have to revise again and again after attempting one question. And for the Kanan, I told her always to be precise. And this is how these children have prepared throughout the year, and I'm so happy for them. Thank you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Dear students, you all have brought the name of this prestigious institution to limelight through your academic performances. Your journey with our school may stop here, but it is the beginning of the new heights for you. You have always shown your passion and dedication towards your studies and school equally. So I wish you that you all should remain the same throughout your life. So always remember, try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. All the best, dear ones. You will be missed badly.
Good morning, everyone. As you all know that the CBSE board results of class 10 has been out, and we have the second state topper of our school, Miss Shagun Thakur. Hello Shagun, how are you feeling?
Very proud, ma'am.
Very proud of yourself.
Yes.
So you topped the Tri-City, you got the second most position, so you're feeling proud. How did you prepare for it?
I studied hard and my dedication to my studies helped. I would like to tell that the hours you studied does not matter, but the concentration and focus matters a lot.
I really appreciate you for this. That this, I would say, it's a piece of advice for everybody. That how much time did you invest hardly matters. If you are focused for even an hour or maybe two,
Yes.
then it will help you. Okay, Shagun, like when in the morning you checked the result and you found that you are the second topper of the Tri-City, what was the first feeling for you?
I was shocked.
Yes.
I didn't expect that I would be Tri-City topper.
Right.
I expected that I would get good marks, but not the Tri-City topper.
So it makes you feel really, I would say, you were startled to see your
Yes,
result.
ma'am.
Yeah, it made you feel kind of wondrous. Yeah. Okay. Any tips that you want to give to others, like the next batch, the one who is going to appear the next year? What tips do you want to give?
I would say that always believe in your teachers, what they say, listen to them and study hard, and like they give assignments and homework, be consistent with your studies, be regular.
Correct.
Honestly, I studied before the exam, but I would like to tell them that be regular from the very beginning.
Yes, regular means if they are regular, it's
better for them.
better for them, right? So I really appreciate your words.
Thank
What do you think of your future now?
I just pursued non-medical
Right.
in the school, but I don't have any plans yet.
You did not set anything, so plan, okay, plan in
Yes.
advance,
Yeah.
because you know when you have a plan you can work upon it and you can achieve your goal. So all the best.
Thank
All
you.
the best for your future. All the best for your future. Bye bye.
Thank you.
What is the role of your parents, your school, your peers, your friends in your success?
My parents supported me a lot in my success, and my peers helped me, like with my homework every time, assignments, and
Okay.
every time the school work was done in a group.
Mhm.
We didn't do it individually, but we did it in a group.
And-
so they were very supportive.
And what was the role of your school? Did your school support you in any
Yes,
way?
ma'am. They even encouraged me to go for extracurricular activities apart from studying.
They
So I
supported
joined
you.
that
Okay, if someday you have some doubt, maybe I'm talking about the past when you were in class 10, who was the first person you approached if you had a doubt? Who was the first person you approached?
My teachers.
Your teachers.
Yes.
So they had a very big role in your
Yes.
success, right? Okay, thank you so much. मैम आपके लिए बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट है कि आपकी बेटी ट्राई सिटी में सेकंड टॉपर है, तो कैसा फील कर रही हैं आप?
बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है।
आपके चेहरे से खुशी साफ झलक रही है। क्या सोचती हैं आगे क्या करवाएंगी उसे, कैसे सपोर्ट करेंगी, क्या विचार हैं आपके?
Every time I motivate her
Right.
to study hard and compete with the other competitors.
Right. I hope in a healthy way, right?
Yes.
In a healthy way she
Yes,
should
ma'am.
compete. तो आपने हमेशा उसे सपोर्ट किया।
Yes.
अब आप क्या सोचते हैं आगे उसे क्या सब्जेक्ट लेनी चाहिए या आगे कैसे सपोर्ट करेंगे? क्या सोच रहे हैं?
Chosen herself non-medical.
Okay.
हमने उसे
Force नहीं किया।
फोर्स नहीं किया है। जो उसकी चॉइस थी वो
उसने नॉन मेडिकल
Yes,
लिया
ma'am.
है। ओके, बीइंग अ फीमेल योरसेल्फ, if she got chance to join some school or maybe the college other than our Tri-City, would you allow her in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
You will allow. क्या सोचते हैं आप, girl, like being girl, if she would get a chance to get enrolled in a very good school or maybe the college in future, so you will provide her your support.
Yes,
You will
ma'am.
support
Yes,
her.
ma'am.
That's very nice to hear. और मैं जानना चाहूँगी कैसी है हमारी शगुन एक्चुअल लाइफ में, जब घर पर होती है कितना टाइम पढ़ाई पे लगाती है, बिकॉज सेकंड टॉपर होना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, कितना टाइम लगाती है?
डिवोट करती है टाइम, स्टडी में भी, ऐसे प्लेइंग में भी,
Okay.
एंटरटेनिंग में भी।
और आपको हेल्प भी करती
हाँ
है?
जी, हाँ जी,
That's a
मैम।
very nice thing. Thank you मैम, आप यहाँ आए, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Thank you,
Thank you
मैम।
so much मैम and congratulations once
थैंक यू
again.
मैम।
Hello Kanan, how are you? You're fine, your smile tells it you're fine. So Kanan scored 97% marks. Kanan Bansal, how are you feeling? The same question for you.
I'm feeling very happy and proud.
You are feeling very happy and proud, and I can see the happiness in your eyes. Kanan, it's a very proud moment for you and your parents. Just tell me, how did you prepare for such a good score? As I know, you are not a person who, devote a lot of hours for study. So how did you get this score?
I stayed attentive in the class. I listened to my teachers carefully and I revised regularly.
Everything you have been taught, you revised regularly. So what is your success mantra? What do you want the next batch to learn from you? What do you think?
I would like to say that you should listen to your teachers in class attentively
Okay.
and revise on regular basis.
Means being regular is the main mantra, and listening to the teachers, whatever they are teaching, is the main mantra from your side. Okay, how much time did you devote for studies?
2 hours per day.
Okay, 2 hours. 2 hours are enough, do you think?
2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours daily. And other than that, did you do something else? I mean, like you are studying whatever is given to you from school. Do you believe in other sources? Did you take help from other sources also?
No ma'am, I took help from my teachers only.
Okay. So, who do you think had, who do you think has the greatest role in your life?
My teachers.
Your teachers. And your teachers only?
And school.
School. Or?
Parents.
Parents also. I feel without the help of your parents and with your teachers, you cannot succeed in life. So, Kanan, I hope that you are going to choose the best for you in future. What are your future plans now?
I took commerce with maths.
Okay, you have decided to take commerce with maths. So you are going to make a career in maths, right? All the very best for your future, Kanan. We hope that again Kanan will make us proud in class 12th result.
Sure.
Yeah, all the best. Hello Parth, how are you feeling after seeing your result in the morning?
I'm a bit disappointed. I was expecting much better.
Okay.
But I'm going to take a lesson from this and I'm aspiring for more.
I can see the disappointment on your face, but here I would like to quote that success is counted sweetest to those who have already tasted the failure. So don't worry, you scored really well. 96.8 is a big number, but I can understand when you think that you can score more and you got less number, you might feel a bit upset, or maybe you feel like something wrong happened to you. So have you analyzed what were the reasons for this?
Yes ma'am, I think I lost marks in languages.
Okay.
And I'll try to overcome that.
How would you do this? I mean, what are your plans? What steps are you going to take to overcome this language part, or maybe other reasons? What do you think? You'll study languages more, but how? Are you going to read the books more, or maybe the listening part? What do you think?
I'll improve my listening skills.
Okay.
And reading and writing.
Writing. Yes. Listening is very important. If you listen carefully, then you can speak and then you can write in a better way. So yes, I wish you all the luck. But what do you think you are going to choose for your +1, +2 and for further studies? What are you going to choose?
I'm choosing non-medical.
You are going for non-medicals. Okay. So, but still you will practice language part also.
Yes ma'am, definitely.
You will try to overcome this.
Yes,
and one piece of advice. See, many things happen in life. Okay, we cannot control everything. So I would suggest you to take your scores as a stepping stone, right? Take them as the milestone, and now work how could you score better next time. Do you have any tip, any idea which you want to share with others? Like keeping your scores in your mind. Like I can see you are not feeling that happy, and it's okay. It's not always right to be sad. Sometimes it's good to be upset also if we want to be happy. So, do you have any tips for others? Keeping your scores in mind, your condition in mind?
What I would like to say is just be passionate and work hard and analyze where you falter.
Right. Analyze in time before it's too late.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Parth. It's really good to have you here. All the best for your future. And next time, I hope when we meet, we will meet with a broad smile. Can I see a broad smile?
Credits.
Yeah. And who do you, that is left. And who do you think helps you the most when you, like I am seeing you are very low right now. When you felt low in the past, when you were studying, when you were preparing for your exams, or maybe when you were in your classes, who were the people?
My teachers always encouraged me, supported me, and moreover my parents always support me.
In which way they supported you? Your teachers, in which way they supported you? Your parents, in which way they supported you?
They basically encouraged me, helped me to overcome
your fears.
Yes, ma'am.
And whatever you feel won't let you get good scores or won't let you come at the front, those fears of yours.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Parth. So we have Parth Goyal's father here also. Parth scored 96.8%. How are you feeling, sir?
Ma'am, I'm really very happy, and my advice to him is that always compete with yourself every day.
Perfect.
Means he should always look to his yesterday and always think to perform better today.
Yes,
and to learn something new.
He is the only competitor he should have in his life.
Yes, exactly.
And I feel it's one of the best advices for everybody who is listening to this, that we should not think of competing somebody else but to ourselves.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, sir. Like now he had scored so well. He has to choose something. So what do you think? Which stream he should choose?
Ma'am, like from my side or from the parent side, we don't pressurize him. We have left it to him, to his choice, whatsoever he feels like. But again, one more suggestion for him from our side. That is, whatsoever he becomes in his life, first of all is that he should become successful.
Correct.
And then the most important thing is that he should do something for the society and humanity.
And this is what I appreciate the most. Becoming something in life is one matter, but doing something and serving the society is the most, I would say, the most important factor in the life. And we are blessed enough to have such kind of parents in our school who always think of society. Thank you so much, sir.
Heartiest congratulations, Shalini. We are really proud of you for the stupendous results that you have given in class 10. I really want to know, so that others can just understand, that what is the source of the motivation that has made you achieve so high scores in your class 10 board exams?
First of all, I would like to thank God, because He has been with me. I thought I have been believing God right from the beginning, and right from the beginning also I have been in the school. And I am very thankful to my director sir and principal Usha ma'am, who have been a source of motivation and inspiration to me. I have been very comfortable with them, and I have been sharing my problems, and they have been telling the solutions to me. And my teachers, I would like to thank them also, because they have been supporting me. They did not stop believing in me. I have been very weak in maths, and I would like to thank Jyoti ma'am, because she has been one of the teachers who has helped me. She did not stop believing in me. She has made me practice the sums, taking extra classes, and I have been able to score very good marks in my maths, that is 92 marks, and it is for the first time I have been getting this marks, and it is because of her. I'll be thankful to all my I will also be thankful to my parents, because I know they are not they have never made me feel that they are not able to provide me all the resources, but they have never made me feel that they have never made me feel that I will not be able to do. They have provided me all the things which I require, and because of them today I am able to get the marks which get such a good results in my paper. And teachers have been motivating. Teachers, they have been believing in us. They kept on believing, and because of them today I am able to get all these marks, and I will be very thankful to them.
Shalini, I believe that you are very good in drawing. So how did it all start, and who has helped you to be?
I do remember the day when I was in second class. I have been failed in drawing paper, and after that, in fifth class, one teacher was there, Anita ma'am. She has seen the potential in me, and she made me do that. And because of her, today I'm able to draw, and went in many drawing competition and won prizes there also.
I've heard you won at the national level also. You're a national level winner. You had participated and you won some cash awards also.
Yes, ma'am. To my teachers, I will give my credit to my mother. She is the one who forced me to do drawing, and my teachers also kept on supporting me. They have given me all the things which I require.
So do you feel somewhere that kind of a hobby or interest has helped you in your studies?
Yes, ma'am. Because when I when I does not feel like studying, I always try to do drawing. Because of that, it makes a change in my mind, and I can learn good as compared to learning.
Maybe your feelings are put on paper.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a very good medium of expressing whatever is there inside, and I would appreciate if you would continue to do the same in future also. Please tell me a little. What I am speaking to you, I feel you are a very confident girl, and you seem to be doing well in many other co-curricular activities. So have you ever in life felt that had I been a child from some family which was maybe more affluential, I would have done better in life?
No, because my parents have supported me, and the support which I required, they have given me. I don't think so I need to be from a good family or something like that.
And I believe you've been sharing that director sir and Usha ma'am have always guided you throughout, and they have supported you. So would you like to say something for them?
Yes, ma'am. They have supported me in every field and everything. Right from the beginning, I have been in the school because of them only. I am in this school, and my father is also working in this school because of them only. So what I have achieved today, I'll give all the credit to them also, to them only, because they have been supporting and supporting. They have never left us alone. They are the one who has supported us.
So would you like to encourage other children who are maybe from the EWS section that they should believe in themselves, and that is how this school is always providing a sort of platform for those students who want to achieve and move ahead?
I would like to encourage those students, because first thing I would like to give them, tell them that they should believe in their teachers. They should have full belief, because if they start believing in their teachers, no one can stop them. They can do whatever they want. So it will be very good if they start believing in their teachers. I think they should have a good belief in their teachers.
And Shalini, I'm so happy and proud to see that you can speak such fluent English. I think all the credit goes to your school and to your teachers.
Yes, ma'am. My English was not so good. I would like to mention Manisha ma'am also, because because of her only I have been able to speak such a good English. I did not write good English once, but she made me do that. Today, because of her, I am writing this English, and good marks I have scored in English also.
So thank you so much, Shalini. God bless you, and may you have lots of success in life, and we wish you all the best in your endeavors.
Thank you, ma'am.
I came to know, Sakshi, that you are the elder sister of Shalini.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you feel about your sister's result of class 10?
I actually already know that she is very hardworking and she will get the percentage above 90. I'm confident about it. But when I get the result that she got the 95%, I feel very proud of her, ma'am, because she's very hardworking, and whole night she was just writing and studying. When we asked them to take rest, she always said, "No, I have taken the rest. I have to do this little work. Let me do it."
So as an elder sister, have you supported her?
No, ma'am. That time I'm not recently here because I'm in Gujarat. But yes, at a phone and calls, I always tell. She was very afraid of maths. Actually, so she always used to tell me that I will lose in maths, I will get less marks. So I always tell her that be confident on you, have confidence on yourself, and you can do it.
And Sakshi, I believe you yourself are a star in your, and we are so proud of you in our school. So can you tell the audience a little about yourself also?
Actually, I am being in sports around. I'm just in second class. First, I'm cricket. I have tried all the games, but actually, I get the success in volleyball. I was selected in Khelo India Academy, and recently I was practicing in Gujarat Nadiad. And everything is provided by government. The scheme is there to provide spend 5 lakh on one children and
one child.
Yeah, one child, and every need of everything, like school, everything they are providing.
So who is the one who has actually guided you to move and take up sports? Because usually parents don't encourage children to join in the sports field.
But ma'am, my parents are different. They have always supported me, and even if I didn't give one day in practice, they don't talk to me that day. And actually, they my principal sir also and Bibi Gupta ma'am, Bibi Gupta sir, they have always supported me. And
yes, this is what, when you were sharing with me, you told me that director sir has been the one who has always pushed you and motivated you to move in the sports field.
Yes, he was from education field actually, but he never tell me that you scored more marks. He ever told me that you go forward in sports because you had that
capacity or the capability to excel in that field.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are very proud that you are training yourself. Just tell a little about the future that you are training yourself for.
Actually, this scheme is about to create the children for the Olympics, and if I'm going to do that, I will selected for Olympics to play for India, and that is my dream, and I think I can prove it.
We are very confident, Sakshi, that you are going to make it.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all our best wishes so
Thank
that
you.
we want to see you there, and definitely the school is going to be proud of you.
Thank you so much.
So, talking to now the parents, proud parents of Shalini, तो आप बताइए आपका नाम क्या है?
अरविंद दुबे।
तो आप की दोनों बेटियां जो हैं स्कूल में इतना अच्छा कर रही हैं, तो आप क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे में कि किस तरह से ये जो चीज़ है ये मुमकिन हुई है?
हमारे सर मैम के से मुमकिन है। हमारे सर मैम ने बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प की हैं, उन्हीं के चलते सर हमारे दोनों बेटियां और बेटे भी बहुत अच्छे आगे निकल रहे हैं।
तो आप जैसे इतने उसमें हैं, आप आजकल तो बेटियों को कहते हैं कि घर में रहिए, और आपने इतना उनको इनकरेज किया है कि एक स्पोर्ट्स में है वो बाहर रहती हैं और दूसरी पढ़ाई में इतना अच्छा कर रही हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बेटियां और बेटे बराबर होते हैं या इसमें भी आप भेदभाव रखते हैं?
नहीं, बराबर होते हैं। कोई भेदभाव नहीं मेरी तरफ से, दोनों सारे ठीक।
जी, बेटी और बेटा में कोई फर्क नहीं है। मैं बेटे से बेटी को ज्यादा मानती हूँ। बेटी में मेरा गर्व है और भरोसा है। मेरी बेटी पर बहुत गर्व है कि मेरी बेटी कुछ करेंगी, इस वजह से मैं बेटी को छोड़ दिए हैं बाहर कि मेरे करेगी।
बिल्कुल। तो मैम आपका नाम क्या है?
नीलम दुबे जी।
अच्छा, तो आपकी बेटी का जब अब ये रिजल्ट्स आए हैं, तो जैसे साक्षी ने बताया कि हमें तो पहले से ही उम्मीद थी कि इसका बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा।
मुझे भी बहुत पहले से ही उम्मीद थी कि मेरी बेटी के इतना आना ही 9 से ऊपर ही आना है, नीचे नहीं आएगा।
तो इस सारी कामयाबी का श्रेय जो है वो आपको किसको देना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो सर मैडम को, भगवान को, बस इससे और किसी को क्या कहें। और बच्चे को तो मेहनत किए ही हैं।
बिल्कुल,
बच्चे तो मेहनत किए हैं, उनका कर्तव्य था करना, हमारा साथ दिए थे बच्चों पर, और ऊपर वाला ज्यादा, और दूसरा नंबर मेरा मैडम और सर पर भरोसा बहुत किए हैं, बहुत उनको लाख लाख धन्यवाद, कभी नहीं भूलूंगी बस।
क्योंकि देखिए ये सफर कोई छोटा नहीं रहा है। जब बच्चा इतने सालों का सफर है तब जाके आज ये हमें कामयाबी हासिल हुई है। तो आपको कभी कुछ ऐसा लगा कि आपको कुछ कभी प्रॉब्लम आई हो और उसमें आपको सर या मैम ने किस तरह से हेल्प करा, अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
जी हाँ, बहुत मेरे हस्बैंड को जो मेहनत की फल है, और मेरा मैडम और सर का, मैंने उनको जो भी करना था वो कर रहे हैं दोनों। मेरे हस्बैंड भी मेरे साथ, मैडम सर को साथ पूरा भरोसा दिए हैं, और मैडम सर दोनों का ही भरोसा मिला है।
तो आगे आप जो
और मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, बस मेरा यही चाहिए कि बच्चे मेरे कुछ करके बन जाए, और मेरा धन संपत्ति कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए। कुछ लोभ नहीं है।
बिल्कुल ऐसा है कि बच्चे कामयाब हो तो मेरे ख्याल से
सबसे
सब
बड़ी
कुछ
सबसे बड़ी मेहनत यही है कि मेरे बच्चे कामयाब हो जाए,
सब
मेरे कुछ
हासिल
भी नहीं
हो जाता
चाहिए।
है हमें।
हाँ, मेरा सब धन वही है, बच्चे ही हैं।
तो आप कुछ आपकी जो इन बच्चियों की टीचर्स रही हैं, कभी उन्होंने आपको कुछ ऐसा महसूस होने दिया कि
नो 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 नो
तो आप उनके बारे में कुछ
बहुत हेल्प, बहुत मदद, बहुत हेल्प, मेरे बच्चों को, टीचरों को बहुत, हमारे को भी बहुत इज्जत मिला, मेरे बच्चों से भी इज्जत मेरे को मिला और मेरे बच्चों को भी खूब मान सम्मान मिला।
तो हम आज आप दोनों के और मैं कहूँगी तीनों के इतने आभारी हैं कि आप लोगों ने जो है हमारे साथ अपने शेयर करा है व्यूज़, और मैं इसी चीज़ को बाकी और पेरेंट्स को भी आपके माध्यम से बताना चाहूँगी कि हम कहाँ पैदा हुए हैं या हम किस घर से हैं या हम कौन से तबके से हैं, ये इतना मायने नहीं रखता है। अगर हम सोचते हैं कि हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं और हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो ईश्वर भी किसी ना किसी रूप में यहाँ पर इंसान को ही धरती पर उतारता है। तो ये आपके सारी बातों से मुझे यही लग रहा है कि जो हमारे डायरेक्टर सर हैं और उषा मैम हैं, ये एक जरिया बने कि आपकी बच्चियों की कामयाबी
बने।
तो इस चीज़ के लिए मैं आप लोगों का बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ और आशा करती हूँ कि आगे भी ये बच्चियाँ ऐसे ही तरक्की करें और हमारा और स्कूल का नाम जो है वो रोशन करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। मैं आपसे ये शेयर करना चाहूँगी कि शालिनी और साक्षी की तरह हमारे स्कूल में ऐसे कई 200 से भी ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं जिनको कि भरत सर ने फुल फी कंसेशन में स्पॉन्सर किया है और उनकी किताबें और उनकी यूनिफॉर्म का जिम्मा भी उन्होंने उठाया है।
जो आगे तो रुकने का नाम न लो, मत बैठो तुम थक कर जब तक विजय पताका थाम न लो। सर्वप्रथम जीवन पड़ाव के प्रथम चरण को पार करने के लिए और शानदार सफलता के लिए सभी बच्चों और उनके माता पिता को हार्दिक बधाई, जिन्होंने हमारे साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर न केवल अपना सहयोग दिया बल्कि अपने और हमारे मनोबल से उस विजय पताका को लहराया जिसका स्वप्न प्रत्येक गुरु और शिष्य देखता है। यदि उत्साह के साथ कोई कदम बढ़ाया जाए तो अपने आप ही एक ऐसा शानदार नया आरंभ होता है जो मंजिल को पाने की चाहत लिए होता है, और हर आरंभ हमारे लक्ष्य को और प्रगाढ़ करता है। लक्ष्य को हासिल कर जो आनंद की अनुभूति होती है वह माँ के वात्सल्य और अध्यापक के शैक्षणिक सेतु को न केवल मजबूत बनाती है बल्कि नींव पत्थर रखने का कार्य करती है। इसीलिए कहा गया है 1 और 1 11 होते हैं, और जब यह 11 मिल जाते हैं तो न केवल हम हमारी मंजिल तक पहुंच पाते हैं अपितु लक्ष्य भेदने में भी कामयाब हो जाते हैं। मंजिल पर पहुंचना है तो कभी राह के कांटों से मत घबराना, क्योंकि कांटे ही तो हमारे कदमों की रफ्तार बढ़ाते हैं। एक बार फिर से सभी को उनकी सफलता के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Hello everyone. It was a big day when we, a group of DCM teachers, were once again designated with the teaching of class 10. We started feeling that the school authorities have shouldered a big responsibility on our shoulders. I, along with my colleagues, considered it as a challenge to work rigorously hard with utmost dedication and sincerity to inspire our children to work hard. It was not only the hard work that had paid off, it was a systematic, planned approach. That is, it was the smart work which made our children be successful. For a month, we conducted chapter-wise pre-boards, enabling our students to be well versed with the subject. All this had been possible due to a well-planned and directional guidance of our Honorable Principal Ma'am and our school mentor director sir. I would also like to appreciate the parents and the students who entrusted faith in us and showed optimism and trustworthiness which enabled us to prove our excellence. Thank you. Have a very nice day.
Greetings of the day to everyone. I am Ananya of DC Montessori Senior Secondary Smart School. I recently bagged 96% in my CBSE board examinations. I would like to express my gratitude towards my parents and teachers for the immense love and support. My teachers were always willing to guide me and help me achieve this milestone. They have an excellent teaching technique and make sure every topic is crystal clear. They ensure multiple revisions of each chapter. They added their valuable inputs to my efforts. My parents and grandparents supported me. They gave me immense love and care and arranged things for me. I modified my study schedule to include various subjects in a day and solved previous year's question papers, which helped me a lot. I would like to express my gratitude towards my parents and teachers from the core of my heart and seek their blessings for my future.
Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Goyal and I have just passed my class 10 by scoring 95.4% in my board examination. I was being able to do so not just because of my hard work but mainly due to the efforts of my parents and support from my teachers. I am always thankful to all the teachers who were always available to me to help me out in my studies, and motivational speeches and words given by our Honorable Principal Ma'am and Director Sir, which helped me a lot in concentrating in my studies and kept me away from any kind of distraction. I am also thankful to my parents for their guidance, support and facilities which they provided to me, and to my elder brother who was like a teacher to me. Our teachers are like gems, they are like gift to us. That's why I am in DC Montessori Senior Secondary Smart School from the very beginning and continuing it for my +1 and +2. DC Montessori School is like a second home to me, and the teachers there are like elderly member of my family who are always looking forward for my betterment. So in last, I would like to tell you that every student can score good marks in examination if they walk upon the guidelines led by their teachers, as these guidelines walk them to the best score of their life. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Vanshika Dalor, a student of DC Montessori Senior Secondary Smart School, Chandigarh. So recently our 10th class result was announced and I scored 94.6% and I bagged 3rd position in my class. I'm really happy about my results, and all of this was possible only because of my teachers, my principal, my Allen faculties and my parents. My teachers always motivated me to study, and whenever I got good marks they used to appreciate me, and I think appreciation is something that keeps a student motivated and determined to achieve much better. My teachers used to take extra classes in the morning before the school and in the afternoon. After the school, I had a 2-hour break in which I used to do my written homework, and then I used to go to my Allen coaching classes, and around 8 o'clock I used to reach home, and then I used to study 3 to 4 hours daily. I stayed away from social media and avoid all types of social events and stayed away from my friends. The moral values which my parents, my teachers, my principal have taught me has also played an important role. My family, especially my younger sister, have always motivated me throughout. I think constant efforts, determination, hard work and self-study is the mantra to achieve our goals. Sometimes I used to study till late and my parents were the one who stayed up all night with me and motivated me to study. At last, I would thank all my teachers, faculties and my families who helped me and supported me to achieve my goal. I think I have come out clean on my teachers' expectations, and with the same efforts and determination, I will achieve my goals further. Thank you.
हाँ, आज हम सब टॉपर हैं। कोई 98 है तो कोई 97, पर ये एक दिन में हासिल नहीं हुआ है। हमारी इस कामयाबी की कहानी के पीछे कई लोगों का योगदान रहा है। आज भी मुझे याद है मेरा वह पहला दिन जब मैंने स्कूल में कदम रखा था और कैसे मुझे एक ममता के हाथ से फिसलते हुए एक और माँ ने थामा था। एक नन्ही सी कोमपल से आज एक मजबूत वृक्ष सा खड़ी हूँ मैं, पर इसलिए क्योंकि मुझे ना जाने कितनी हाथों ने सींचा है, हमें तराशने में ना जाने कितनी टीचर्स का साथ रहा है। मुझे याद है मेरी सुबह की स्कूल असेंबली जहां हमें प्रार्थना की शक्ति के बारे में बताया जाता है और कितनी ही असेंबली में पार्टिसिपेट करते करते मैं आज कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि मैं कहीं भी परफॉर्म कर सकती हूँ। हमारी टीचर्स का तो जवाब ही नहीं, चाहे कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो या एक्टिविटी, they are always so competent and encouraging that I feel it is all because of them that we are able to stand proudly today. Thank you all my DCM teachers. अरे सुबह जब हमें फिजिकल एजुकेशन के लिए बुलाते तो जान ही निकल जाती, पर अब लगता है आज मेरे स्वस्थ शरीर और मन का सारा श्रेय इन्हीं क्लासेस को दिया जा सकता है। स्कूल की वे सारी बातें याद आती हैं, कैसे हम सब त्योहार मिलकर मनाते और देशभक्ति के गीत जोर जोर से गाते, कभी काम न करने पर डांट और फिर कुछ ही समय बाद उनका दुलार। समझ नहीं आता, पर आज उसकी अहमियत का एहसास होता है। हमारी स्कूल के डायरेक्टर सर भरत सर जी का तो क्या कहना, वो तो मोटिवेशन का भंडार हैं। चाहे हमें वैल्यू सिखाने की बात हो, वो हर जगह प्रेजेंट रहते और हमें एनकरेज करते, हमें वैल्यूज के पाठ पढ़ाते और हमारे सभी प्रॉब्लम्स का हल चुटकियों में सुलझा देते। मैंने सुना है सर न केवल स्कूल में बल्कि सोशल वर्क में भी उसी डेडिकेशन और डिवोशन से काम करते हैं। आई ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर ही सेज इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी ग्रेट बट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी गुड। उन्होंने कई EWS स्टूडेंट्स की सहायता करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी और सदा ही सबको हेल्प करने की कोशिश में लगे रहे। मैं आप सबको ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ कि आज मेरे रिजल्ट पर सर ने मुझे कहा कि उनका आशीर्वाद हमारे साथ सदा रहेगा और वे इस पर खरे भी ठहरे। मैं कुछ बच्चों की पिक्चर्स दिखाना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने कई साल पहले स्कूल छोड़ दिया था, पर सर की सहायता और STHA पॉलिसी की वजह से वह सब अपने अपने फील्ड्स में बहुत सक्सेसफुल है। ये एक वीडियो जो मुझे मेरी सीनियर ने भेजी है और उसने बताया कि किस तरह फीस ना दे पाने के कारण उसे यूनिवर्सिटी में दाखिला छोड़ना पड़ा।
Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. I am Tejasvi, batch of 2016, DC Montessori Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh. Currently, I am pursuing law from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Life is not a piece of cake, and so is this pandemic. I hope everyone remains safe and sound during these testing times. DC Montessori School is not just a school, it is a family. And it is a universal truth that no matter what circumstances you face, you always have family by your side. DCM family leaves no stone unturned for the betterment of its members. मैं अत्यंत सौभाग्यशाली हूँ और यह मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं DCM परिवार का एक सदस्य हूँ। This recent pandemic is a very hard time for all of us, be it students, teachers, parents, business houses, institutions, and so on. But as I said, DCM family leaves no stone unturned for the betterment of its members. ईश्वर मनुष्य की सहायता के लिए स्वयं धरती पर नहीं आता, मनुष्य ही मनुष्य की सहायता करता है। Last year, when I was faced with financial crunch, where almost I had no means to pay my university fee, looking for a job, I went to MD Sir, Shri B.B. Gupta, in hope that he would help me. But what he did was way beyond. It was a feeling of care and affection that most of us feel is now missing in the world. But it is not so. Sir took time out of his busy schedule and went with me to the university. He ensured that my name was not struck off the rolls and paid my fee. Besides him, I would also like to thank my teachers for their moral support then and forever. To say the least, everyone and I can be sure that no matter what circumstances you face, DCM family is always there with you. Thank you.
हाँ, मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ हमारी प्रिंसिपल उषा मैम, जो अपनी भीनी भीनी मुस्कान से सबका मन जीत लेती हैं। वो हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स को बेटर एजुकेशन और ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट के लिए नित नए प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करती हैं और हमें हमेशा मेहनत और ऑनेस्टी का पाठ पढ़ाती हैं। मुझे लगता है ऐसे कम ही स्कूल होंगे जो अपने स्टूडेंट से ऐसे जुड़े रहते हैं कि चाहे वे स्कूल छोड़ दें पर वे उनके भविष्य की चिंता करते हैं। मैं तो DCM फैमिली का हिस्सा बनने में अपना सौभाग्य समझती हूँ और आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब भी हमारे परिवार का हिस्सा बने।
At the onset, I want to congratulate all my lovely students who have scored so well in the CBSE Class 10th board exams. Children, this is not the end of life. I want to also talk to you regarding those who were not so happy with their results. Some of you are disappointed because you could not score what you wanted to. My advice to them is that sometimes your failures can be your stepping stone to success. Don't feel disheartened. Gear up. Find what were those deficiencies which made you lack to aspire what you thought you would get. And work hard. Move ahead. Life is all about moving on and working towards getting more and more, achieving everything in life that you want, but with an attitude that yes, I can do it. So wishing you all the best in life. I wish all of you a very, very successful life. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you and God bless you all.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे